Okay, so let's see what happens due to array overflow. Array overflow. Int main, and the idea is that we have an array declared with a dimension of 5. So this is capable of holding on to 5 elements, and then I have the integer type variable I, which will act as a loop counter. And what we want to do is that the user should enter the elements of the array. So for I equal to 0, I less than or equal to, I should write this as 4, but instead of that, let us see what happens if I write this as maybe 7. So it's as if I am expecting that there are 8 elements in the array, and then I plus plus, and we read the data from the keyboard. So scanf %d ampersand ai, and so once we have entered this information, let us go ahead and we will try to display whatever has been read. So for I equal to 0, I less than or equal to 7, I plus plus, we want to print this information. Printf %d comma ai, return 0. So let us go ahead, let us run this program and then try to see what happens. So run. It is prompting me to enter the numbers, so I will enter numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So look at this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So up until 7 it has given it correctly, but this instance, the last one, instead of showing the value of 8, this is again giving an erroneous result. So this is the idea of array overflow in C language, and one has to be very careful about maintaining the dimensionality. So if you are having a dimension of 5, that means it is expected that there should be 5 elements in the array. That is the maximum size that is defined for this array. But if we exceed this size, there is a possibility of showing garbage value, as it does in this case.